Hi, my name is Brianna Maroney, and I will be outlining the products and services that Goldman Sachs offers, as well as the DEI initiatives that they have introduced to their company. So beginning first with the products and services that they offer in their investment banking sector, this starts with financial advisory, which includes the strategic advisory pertaining to mergers, acquisitions, corporate defense activities, etc. They also help with the underwriting process, which helps companies raise capital to fund their businesses. They also provide corporate lending, which lends to their corporate clients by way of relationship lending, middle market lending, and acquisition financing. Moving on to the products and services that they offer under their global market sector, beginning with FICC intermediation. These activities include client execution related to making markets in both cash and derivative instruments. FICC financing includes providing financing to clients via securities purchased under resale agreements through structured credit, warehouse lending, which contains residential and commercial mortgage lending, and asset-based lending, which is usually longer term in nature. Moving on to equities. Equity intermediation services involve the making of markets in equities, securities, and equity-related products, including ETFs, convertible securities, options, futures, and over-the-counter derivative instruments. And Goldman Sachs facilitates client transactions via providing liquidity, which involves transacting in bunches of stocks or derivatives, which asks for capital commitment. Equity financing makes the firm money by providing equities financing activities that encompass prime brokerage, security lending, margin lending, and swaps. Goldman also partakes in alternative investing activities that target public and private equity investment in corporate, real estate, and infrastructure entities. They also indulge in consolidated investment entities, most of which surround real estate investment activities to make investments. Lending and debt investments is a significant chunk of Goldman's revenue, which stems from investing in corporate debt and being the provider of financing for real estate and other assets to their company. According to the 10K, these activities include investment in mezzanine debt, senior debt, and distressed debt securities. Finally, we look at the wealth management and consumer banking sector. This includes private banking and lending, meaning beyond the management of wealth of individuals itself, Goldman also provides banking and lending, which provides revenue through net interest income allocated to deposit taking and interest income earned on lending activities for wealth management clients. Consumer banking services at Goldman include issuing unsecured loans through Marcus by Goldman, as well as issuing credit cards to help their clients finance the purchases of goods and services. Goldman also takes deposits encompassing savings and time deposits through Marcus, a GS Bank USA, and Goldman Sachs International Bank. The Form 10K of Goldman Sachs states that consumer banking revenue consists of net interest income earned on unsecured loans issued through consumers through Marcus and credit card lending activities, and net interest income allocated to consumer deposits. We are now going to move on to Goldman's DEI initiatives. This is just an overview of their DEI statement. For a little bit of context, a recent study by Zippia estimated that all of the finance professionals working in the United States, only 26.4% are women, and over 46% of these professionals are white. What's Goldman Sachs' goal? Well, it's simple: to create and sustain an environment that serves the best interests of employees, clients, and firm. At its very core, Goldman's mission statement always puts the client first. They recognize that their clients come from a variety of backgrounds, so they must be fully capable of dealing with different cultures in an informed and nuanced manner. They also recognize that they can serve their clients' best interests by tapping into the insights and judgments of a diverse workforce.